Hi, today I'm breaking one of these 2015 Donruss football card blaster box. Got these at Walmart for $20 each. If you want to check out the other one, you have to check back later. So I've been trying to collect this set, and even like the hobby boxes for some reason are hard to find now. And finding like anything in the stores is hard too. So what does this include? I didn't even look. 56 cards. Blaster exclusive. Look for 1984 throwback rookies. And one exclusive rookie threads memorabilia on average. So let's check it out. My wife went through all my cards and she said I'm missing a ton of these still, but I have like a trillion triples. And just ridiculous. I don't understand why, like, sometimes you just keep getting the same cards over and over, and then there's like, you know, those cards that you never find. So we should have one hit. If you guys want to try to guess, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or pack 7. Leave a comment now guessing your guess on which pack it is located in. So let's go ahead and start. This is pack 1. And the Kid Reporter codes are no longer any good, so I'll just throw those away. Arian Foster, Andre Ellington, Carlos Hyde, Deion Sanders, Lawrence Taylor, Luke Kuechly, Jason Pierre-Paul, and rated rookie Breshad Perriman. Nothing too exciting there. I don't know if I needed any of that. Pretty sure I didn't have the Perriman. Alright, pack 2. Now this should be a jersey card, so it'll be pretty noticeable. Eli Manning, Joe Flacco, Johnny Manziel, Mike Wallace, Justin Houston, Geno Atkins, Brandon Cooks, and a Paul Hornung, Gridiron Legends. These ones are, you know, a little more rare. I wouldn't say they're rare cards, but you get the rated, or the Gridiron Kings a lot, but the Gridiron Legends, I haven't got very many of those. Alright, pack 3. I don't see anything in this one. Michael Crabtree, Julio Jones, Larry Fitzgerald, Eric Decker, Michael Floyd, Shane Ray, Terrell Davis, and Ryan Tannehill Elite. These cards seem a lot more exciting in the rack packs, to be honest. Alshon Jeffrey, Lamar Miller, Doug Martin, Brian Urlacher, Robert Quinn, Clay Matthews, Elite Series. This is one of those. Actually, it's a lot clearer on this one. Usually they're kind of hard to see. Julio Jones, and we got a numbered 103 of 586, Randall Cobb Green. Do you guys like that they did this stat line thing for the parallels? Do you guys like it when they make them out of 586, like just weird numbers? Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is pack 5. Teddy Bridgewater, Nick Foles, Matt Ryan, Desmond Trufant, Brandon Flowers, Kyle Fuller, Pierre Garçon, and Kevin White, Elite Rookies. Fairly sure I have that one. Why do people like, why are his cards so valuable, Kevin White? So this is 6. That'd be the last pack, right? Or I didn't get one. It feels thicker. Peyton Manning, Kendall Wright, Julian Edelman, Jordan Matthews, Julius Thomas, Vincent Jackson, Shaq Thompson, and Gridiron Kings, Barcavius Mingo. And so you can see the Gridiron Kings is that orange or red, and the Gridiron Legends is blue. I just haven't seen very many of those. Last pack, number 7. Was your guess number 7? Lucky number 7. I think you would be correct, because this one feels extra thick. You guys probably can't see. There's a thick card in there. Okay. Mike Evans. Denard Robinson. I honestly don't know which side's top, though. Michael Irving. D'Angelo Hall. Khalil Mack. Why is that one backwards? Never had it backwards. This could be a numbered? I don't know. And that's the back. Which one should we reveal first? Looks like a jersey. Should we reveal the Gronkowski? I don't know what that is. Patriots Rob Gronkowski. Weird. It's foil and gold, but it's not numbered or anything. Oh, there's another card. Okay. Okay, this is getting weird. Matthew Stafford Elite. Okay. Okay. Dang it. Got the wrong side. Alright, let's check out the jersey card. It's a rookie. Is that the Titans? Jalen Strong. There's our hit. We're going to go back over all the cards. Hope you guys enjoyed this break, and I will see you on the next break.